Here, we see the automatic transmission light is off. Even though we already had the speedo light on. This is what life should be like, friends. Okay, let's turn the off key. Then we try to open the cover of this transmission lever. Unscrew the bolt here. Use a 10mm key. Once open, lift the handbrake cover. Continue unscrewing the transmission lever cover bolt. Use the same key 10mm. After that, pull out the two cover buttons. The position is here. Left and right. How to remote? It is quite easy. You press it into the middle of this button. After that, the button can be removed properly. From here, you can remove the transmission cover. The position of the transmission light is here. Unplug the lamp socket. Remember to pull it out of the socket, don't pull it out of the cable. Pull while shaking slightly. When the lamp socket has been removed, unplug the lamp. Also remove the yellow light cover. Let's first check the condition of the lamp wire. It is broken. It's hard to see because the lights are so small. To be more sure, we try checking the current and voltage of the lamp in the socket. Turn the on key and turn on the speedo dashboard light. Check the voltage current condition. Set the multitester position at DC 20 volts. Continue installing the two tester needles according to the color. Red plus, black min. Be careful not to let the two currents touch. Okay, there is tension. This means that it is certain that the lamp is broken or damaged. Okay, let's change the light. Wow, it worked. We put the yellow cover back on. Then we put it back in position. Okay, it's finished. Already good. The light is on and working properly.